Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Carlos here with New Look Power Wash. I was asked to shoot a video on a gas station cleaning that we're doing tonight, and a couple contractors on Facebook wanted to know if EBC, Enviro Bio Cleaner, would work on flat surfaces with just cold water. And what we're doing tonight was actually a little bit of a test to see whether or not EBC is effective on gas station pads, fuel oil, grease, diesel fuel spills on concrete. And what I've done already is I've already pre-treated 2 areas of this gas station with a pump-up sprayer. It's EBC. I think I used about 24 to 32 ounces to 2.5 gallons of water. And what I did is I pre-treated some of the nasty fuel spills, oil leaks, diesel spills that was really prevalent on this particular area of the gas station. And I shot some before pictures as well, so I'll certainly post those up to show what the before pictures look like. Anyways, what we're going to try to do is we're going to make a run on these 2 sections, to make one pass without using any hot water. Prior to a surface cleaning, I'm going to X-jet a EBC solution of 32 ounces, 32 to 40 ounces. I'm going to go a little heavy on my normal mix due to the fact that I'm not going to introduce any hot water to the cleaning process. And I'm going to make one pass, have the video rolling after we X-jet, and see what kind of results we get with just one pass with the surface cleaner. This gas station has not been cleaned for quite some time. It's my understanding that it's been well over a year, I guess, since anything has been done to it. And if you notice over here, the grease marks are pretty prevalent. And let's see, what else am I going to do here? Let's see, we've got the EBC on, pre-treated right now. We're going to do an X-jet application here in a little bit. We're going to use cold water instead of hot water, and we'll make a pass. My dwell time on the EBC X-jet combo, gosh, I'll probably let it sit for about 7 to 10 minutes. And then fire up the rig. So this is a first video of maybe 1 or 2 other videos of tonight to see how well EBC does without the use of hot water. Okay, here we are again. I'm gonna go ahead and put in 32 ounces of EBC. I don't know if you can see the numbers or not, but right where my finger is at there, that's 1 quart. 32 ounces, and we're going to go ahead and put it in this trusty Homer bucket from Home Depot. And we have our EBC here, and again we still have our EBC pre-treatment on the pads. They've been sitting there now for about maybe 15 minutes, something like that. There's hardly any wind out here, so the EBC staying kind of wet. If it was a little windy out, naturally it would dry up a little bit quicker. But what we're going to do is we're going to pour. Let's go with 1 quart. There we go. 1 quart of EBC, and we will pour it in the bucket, and we go over here to our trusty dump valve. I apologize for the camera shaking all around. It's just me out here doing the work. Kind of rinse out this measuring container that I have. And we're gonna probably put, I don't know, maybe close to 3 gallons of water, right where my finger's at, I guess. And X-jet this on the pads that we showed you a little while ago, and let that dwell. So we got 1 quart of EBC going into about 3 gallons of water. We're getting a lot of foam here, so we'll, all right, that's about 3 gallons. If you look, we just got a lot of foams. It's a little bit over 3. That's about 3 gallons, I guess. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and shut the video off. And when we get to the X-jetting part, well, actually, let me put this on here. Set this right there and get the rig fire up for the X-jet. I'll see you soon. Okay, we've got the X-jetting done. I couldn't shoot the video and X-jet, carry the bucket at the same time, so I guess if I was downstreaming it would have been a little bit easier, but we've got EBC laying on the on both pads, and want to just show you guys, or everybody that's watching this, I haven't fired up the burner at all. It's, of course, if I was running heat through this, it would be hot or whatever, but I haven't ran any hot water whatsoever. And what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 or 2 passes up and down this pad and maybe hit that diesel fueling station on the end right in front of it, just to see what the EBC does with cold water. Okay, gonna try to shoot a video of this, so stand by. Actually, it's looking pretty good. Looking good. And we'll go by the rig one more time just to show you that we don't have any heat on. Oh, here's a nice picture. So that's cold water. And EBC on gas station pads, cold water. We're going to go down to this diesel pad, this diesel fueling area right here. Here's a nice picture. Right in this area was really, really bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut in right here and see what it does. Well, I hope that answers your question. Looks like EBC does fairly well with cold water. I'm going to shoot some after pictures of the entire job here, but hopefully this here was really, really nasty, and it works. I don't know. You guys tell me. Impressive or not. Again, this is Carlos with New Look Power Wash, Enviro Bio Cleaner, doing gas station pads with EBC and cold water.